Ernest Chiriacka, born Anastasios Kyriakakos, was a Greek-American painter and illustrator who had long and consistent career creating the pulp fiction and the slick magazines, Western art, and mid-century pinup culture. He is also widely considered a leading crime noir, Western, and Native American-themed painter. The son of Greek immigrants, Kuryaka began working at a young age. His first real art job was painting movie and theater posters for the Associated Display Company in the early 1930s, despite having no formal training at the time. Realizing he needed stronger foundations, he studied at the Art Students League, the National Academy of Design, and the Grand Central School of Art, where he was influenced heavily by Harvey Dunn. Those years shaped the painterly realism and narrative clarity that would define his work. Kuryaka first made his name in the pulp magazines of the late 1930s and 1940s, producing dynamic covers for westerns, mysteries, and adventure titles. In the 1950s, he became one of Esquire's major pinup artists, taking over the magazine's famous 12-page calendar series from 1953 to 1957. Those calendars were among the most popular in the world, and his work helped define the sleek, glamorous mid-century pinup aesthetic. Like many artists of the era, Kuryaka used several pen names early in his career, including Akka, A.D., and most notably Darcy. He used these aliases while working for lower-paying pulp magazines to protect his reputation as he tried to break into the more prestigious, high-paying slick magazines like the Saturday Evening Post. As Darcy, he became legendary for his femme fatale figures, often noted for his ability to paint expressive, laughing or screaming women and his mastery of anatomy and curves. Across his long life, Kuryaka moved fluidly between genres, Western scenes, magazine illustration, paperback covers, and fine art, always with a strong sense of drama and craftsmanship. Though he never became a household name like some of his contemporaries, collectors and historians recognize him as one of the quietly essential American illustrators of the 20th century, a bridge between the pulp era and the golden age of magazine art. At the age of 96, Ernest Chiriacka died at his home in Great Neck, New York, in April of 2010.